Oh!
Well, it worked. All right.
Hold on.
Oh. I guess you had a connection problem.
I'm having so much fun with this button right now.
So you can click whatever you want?
I think.
No. Go in order, please.
Wait, it's on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, nothing happened. 8, 9, 10.
Honestly, just hit whatever you want. It'll be fun.
All right.
Go ham.
Go ham. Bus mash.
Rapid fire.
Bus mash.
Hold on. Wait, what's the bottom area?
Go down to area 4, and then 3, and then 2, and then 1. Go work your way down.
Come on.
Thumb's going.
Bus mash.
There's more in here.
Is that
Got that bootleg fireworks.
area what? Area what?
Just hit them all. There we go.
Oh.
Oh, Jonathan, go to the grand finale! Hey, bro! What's your second chances? Let's go!
What the fuck? W was in his chat.
That was unreal.
That was fucking sick, bro.
All right. Now, we better get out of here because someone's going to jail.
Yeah.
Yeah, Speed did it.
Nope.